Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin, take a look at some other altcoins because there's some interesting things happening in the market. Before we hop in, please subscribe, like this video. It helps us out a lot to get this information out to everybody. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $51,489.50, up about 0.77% on the day. It is the weekend, so be prepared for some interesting and strange price action. Bitcoin dominance trading at 51.20%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's more so like 53.2%. But all in all here, Bitcoin dominance is slowly coming down. Probably going to see this happen until we get a next move to the upside or to the downside. But I have been saying as we get closer to this Bitcoin halving, which is getting closer and closer, guys, only a couple months away. It's projected to be around April 24th, around that time, 2024, only a couple months away. As we get closer to that level, or excuse me, that time of date, I do expect to see a move to the upside or a move to the downside, somewhat of a significant move, and when that happens, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance increase. I expect Bitcoin dominance to increase as we get closer to this halving, guys, and so far, that's exactly how it's been playing out. We started at about 48% down here, and we slowly have been gaining more and more Bitcoin dominance as we got closer. I want to talk about this important level here, this red line at $51,000. Because we are getting, I've been talking about this, guys. Let's look over at the daily for a better depiction of where we're at here. I've been talking about this, guys, and as long as we stay above this $51,000 price level, I expect bullish continuation to continue to play out. Expect it to keep playing out. And man, oh man, are we close to having daily candle closes below this $51,000 price level. Wicks are absolutely fine. We can have wicks come below it. As long as we're not seeing full daily candle body closures below this level of $51,000, guys, we're consolidating at a very, very nice level. We're consolidating at a very, very nice level, and I expect this move to continue. It shows strength to the upside when we see this consolidation here. Be patient, guys. We don't want to see these candles closing below this level, but as long as we see this sideways consolidation, and for the longer we see it, the bigger the move we're going to see to the upside. Got to be prepared for that, guys. I mean, you look at the weekly candle closures, things are looking good here. We have a weekly candle closure in a day and 4 hours, and that'll put us above that $51,000 price level, which will be bullish continuation. Guys, I want to also talk about a couple weeks ago, Elizabeth Warren wrote the flag of the United States of America in honor of Satoshi Nakamoto. Guys, this was fake. I don't know if anyone really noticed and went back and circled back to this, because when it first came out, a lot of people were talking about, oh man, this is a big top signal. I'll be honest with you guys. I thought this was a huge top signal when I saw this. And I decided to look it up today, and well, this was completely false. The prank was believable because even Bitcoin critics like Senator Elizabeth Warren might have to embrace crypto voters in the wake of ETF approvals. Because you don't want to be on the wrong side of crypto if you're a politician. You might lose voters, guys. You might lose voters if you're against crypto and the masses start adopting it. Just an interesting thing I want to put out there, because I have been thinking a lot about where we're at in the market right now. Where are we? Is it time to take a tumble? Is the top in? Or is Max Payne just continuing to the upside? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. But I'm going to be honest with you, I'm having a tough time figuring out where we're headed here. There's a lot of different things at play when it comes to the macroeconomics of the world. Federal Jerome Powell every day saying we're going to cut, we're not going to cut. It kind of goes back and forth whether they're not going to cut the rates or it's going to pause or keep going. Lots of wishy-washy talk. But there's also lots of top signals at play. We're seeing a lot of the Bitcoin SPY ETFs getting approved. Does that mean that we need to sell the news? Well, we kind of had a little bit of a sell the news event. We came down. I know it doesn't seem like much when you're looking at this chart, but we came down about 20% on the news of the Bitcoin spot ETF being approved. I think it would probably make the products, being the spot ETFs, look poorly if we decide to tank significantly. There's just a lot of things at play right now that we need to be paying attention to. We're seeing a lot of people in the mainstream media start to pivot, talk very bullish about crypto and Bitcoin, talk about how it could be a reserve currency of the world. It's pretty bullish talk. It's also pretty top-ish talk, if I don't say so myself. But we're also seeing things like all of the people in the world not having enough money to invest in speculative investments. We're seeing inflation, record highs. And, you'll see these politicians and whatnot say that, oh, no, inflation's under control, things are great, the economy's great. But if you've gone outside and you've tried to buy anything, you know the truth. You know the truth about the inflation. Is there any money to be put into these speculative assets? A while ago I was talking about how in October of 23, it was projected that all of the American citizen savings accounts would be $0. Because at the rate back in 2020 of July, there was $2.2 trillion in American savings before we had this big run-up. $2.2 trillion in American savings. Then in July of 2023, there's $158 billion projected to be, when we reached October, to be $0 of 2023. Now, is there money to be put into this market? Well, I would argue that institutions have money to put in here. But when it comes to retail, I don't know. I don't know if they have money. It's very tough out there right now to be speculating on assets like cryptocurrency, even though it seems like it's more important now than it ever is or ever was to be getting involved with decentralized currencies like Bitcoin as the dollar is getting printed into oblivion. Very interesting times, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this, but I don't know where we go from here. I think max pain could possibly be just continuation of the upside, rallying into the Bitcoin halving, maybe even testing previous all-time highs before the halving. We'll have to see. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, getting closer and closer to 15,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you guys. Also, check out some awesome referral links we have down below. A $4,100 sign-up bonus to VMEX. All you got to do is click the link, trade, open an account, deposit, get a bunch of free money. Please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very active over there. That's all I got for you guys. Be patient. Interesting times ahead. That's all I got for you.